guys, it's Blackstone Betty. We're here at the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas, and I've got the Griddle Crew with me and one of our newest on our channel, Stephanie T. Today we are making a sausage and pepperdew flatbread for y'all to try. It's
phenomenal.
It's cheesy.
It's sweet and spicy.
So let's let them show you guys how to make this at home on your Blackstone.
I just know y'all are gonna love this one.
We are back from Dallas and we had such a blast. We had so much fun watching the competitors cooking inside, racing to get their dishes in, hanging out, teaching and learning, laughing and getting to meet some of the members of the Griddle Crew. We look forward to the next meetup as well as watching the Griddle Crew grow over time. Now let's jump into this recipe. I wanted to make a flatbread pizza and allow each Griddle Crew member to have a hand in this. We'll start it off with Michaela, also known as the Ginger Ninja. I'm gonna have her make a quick garlic aioli. We'll start off with some Duke's mayo, add in some fresh lemon juice. We're going with a chunky garlic, and since Michaela knows that I am a huge Eagles fan from the Philadelphia area, this little sassy cutie thought it would be funny to get herself a Dallas Cowboys apron since we are here in Dallas. I've got to call in for backup, so I've got Vinny Vicharelli. He's also from the Philadelphia area and made the trip down to hang out with us. I'm gonna have him season up our aioli with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we got Miss Jess Farron from South Carolina. She volunteered to slice up my green onions and these pepperdew peppers. These are sassy, sweet, and spicy, and I keep these on hand at all times in the refrigerator. Perfect for pizzas, sandwiches, salads, and so much more. Next up off the crew, I've got Jacob Kaiser. He is going to get my Blackstone preheating and cook up this Italian mild sausage. You can go for sweet or spicy or even do a mixture of this, but Italian sausage on any pizza or flatbread is definitely my jam. I love watching the Griddle Crew in action, and Jacob just took full control of this 36-inch Blackstone. I love using the scraper for chopping up any kind of meat. Once it's cooked through, we'll slide this over and call in some help from Mr. Mike McCourt, longtime griddle owner. He's gonna get these stone fire flatbreads down onto the griddle to start to heat up on our top side. So top side down first, let them heat up. This helps to melt all of your toppings, whether you're doing the flatbreads or the pizzas off the griddle. It's a great trick to get those toppings to melt, especially on a cold day like it was for this. After a few minutes, we're gonna flip these over and have him spread on a thin layer of our garlic aioli. And now with pleasure, I've got Michael Greenlee, who's gonna come in and zhuzh up our pizzas. I've got a mixture of, don't tell CJ, but pre-shredded cheese. I've got mozzarella and an Italian blend mixed together.
Love having to help. All over.
A great shortcut, especially when you're in a town that you're not familiar with and you don't know if they have the cheeses you like. I usually do this with a smoked mozzarella while at home.
Time for the sausage.
Time to load them up with that sausage, that sweet sausage all over the top. A little heavy on some, a little lighter on the other. Give people the option. Time for Casey Woods to come in and add some color with our pepperdew peppers, allowing all of that vinegar from the peppers to drizzle over these flatbreads. I love that he spent the extra time to make these look so good and really spread out those peppers. And now my girl, Stephanie T, to help me finish these off. So let's get them off the griddle. A little drizzle of our garlic aioli over the top. Some of our Mike's Hot Honey drizzled over the top as well, which brings just so much flavor. I love this honey. It would be much easier to drizzle on honey if it wasn't so freezing outside.
Hussey says that's good groceries, Betty.
Woo, hussy!
And then a big handful of our green onions. I cannot get enough of these. This is my favorite part of these flatbreads. I love the colors of it. I think this pizza is so beautiful, so easy. We love it at home. My kids love it. It's easy to make for a dinner by yourself or to enjoy with a bunch of friends, which is what we got to do in Dallas. Because I've got Steven Schmidt coming in to cut these up and finish this off with our griddle crew.
Pizza is done. Come on in, griddle crew.
The crew is all here.
Yes.
Everyone going for a piece.
Get in there, Betty.
I'll get the honey.
Let's give it a try. Yeah.
That's phenomenal.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, Betty.
Thank you to the entire griddle crew for hanging out, helping us cook this week. It was so fun, so much good food.
Don't forget to shop griddlenation.com.
And don't forget to check out Blackstone Griddles on YouTube.
And all of our channels as well.
Now that's a wrap. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I just know y'all are gonna love this one.
Yeah.
Go Birds!
And action.
Ho, ho, ho.
Sunglasses off, Michael.
Come on, guy. What?
Sunglasses off.
my dude.
Here, I'll Griddle gang. That's what they should be called. I swear, griddle gang.
Trying to catch up with you.
I was gonna say, let's give it a try.
Wait. Let me grab one. Let's give it a try.
First.
Oh.
Don't look at me. Never.
Can't believe I'm putting that in my video.